Hi guys, it's Jewel again, coming to you from South Florida. I'm going to talk to you a little bit today about how to effectively market your business online and why so many of us fail. All right, the old marketing techniques, they're out the door, okay? We're not trying to send postcards to a bunch of people that are not interested in our business. We're not trying to contact Aunt Molly or best friend Joe to tell us or to help us succeed in our business, okay? What we want to do is find the people that are actually interested. Well, guys, there's this little thing, it's called the internet, and something that you probably type every single day, www, stands for World Wide Web. Well, let's use that. There's 8 billion people out there, and lots of people looking for opportunities, right? So instead of using those old marketing techniques, let's go ahead and use a technique called attraction marketing. We are going to build relationships with people, and as we build those relationships, we're going to build trust. And as that trust grows, they're going to ask us what it is that we're doing to succeed, okay? And so many people don't know, all right? Actually, 90% of us are in a position to lead our home business with absolutely no leadership skills at all whatsoever. All right, that's a problem. All right, so come on with me and I will show you how to attract and lure hundreds of prospects to you who are actually interested in learning about your opportunity using a technique called attraction marketing. I will see you on the other side, and I want you to visit me at my blog, or you can contact me to direct. I'm coming to you from South Florida. This is Jewel. I'll see you next time.